Marine powerhouse companies Xantrex, Mastery, and Vetus have joined forces to support the outstanding marine conservation efforts of Scooby-Doo's Repair the Sea mission to restore coral reefs and clean up marine debris in the greater Tampa Bay and area waterways. The efforts of this Jewish nonprofit group's marine conservation initiative happen aboard Allie's Way, a 34-foot Sea Ray cruiser used as the group's primary dive boat, named in memory of former member Allison Willen. Xantrex, Mastery, and Vetus, along with other supporting marine industry companies, collaborated to convert the cruiser from gasoline-powered to a fully electric propulsion system, allowing the group to operate its aquatic mission with a clean, zero-carbon footprint. From the Xantrex perspective, the electrical system on the boat represents the emerging 48-volt technology for propulsion in conjunction with 12-volt for standard loads, including lights and navigation. The boat is equipped with 4 Xantrex 100 amp-hour 51-volt lithium-ion batteries for electric propulsion and 2 125 amp-hour batteries for 12-volt loads, all with built-in BMS technology, enabling more power in less space. The boat also features the popular Xantrex Freedom EX4000 inverter charger, offering 4,000 watts of inverted AC power and 80 amps of 48-volt DC charging power, and a built-in 12-volt power supply providing redundant backup power to the navigation equipment. Xantrex engineers also added solar to recharge the batteries for longer cruising distances. Allie's Way utilizes 2 arrays of Xantrex Peel and Stick Solar Max panels, one system to support each of the 12 and 48-volt battery banks. This sustainable energy is utilized to help extend the battery bank's service life and cruising distance. Together, Xantrex and its partners have contributed to a worthy cause that champions important, proactive environmental efforts, a testament to what can be achieved when companies, innovation, and collaboration unite with partners like Scooby-Doo to protect our planet.